if you wanted to build a bug report integration in n8n in under 90 seconds? Let's see how this would work on a simple use case. Open this up. Very simply, we capture information here on our form where we'll put in the reporter email, the product area with drop-down values, and the environment, and step to reproduce and expected behavior. Then we will take all that information, we will format an email, and then we take that formatted email and we will send it out to the engineering team. Let's go ahead and try this out. Here's our form. We'll select the team. It's going to be in our production environment. Plan to log in. Want to go to the dashboard, and instead we got an error message. And we will make the severity as a major function and submit. We can see all three of those steps completed. Let's go to our inbox. As you can see, the bug report has now been filled in. Now, if you want this workflow, comment support and I'll send you the full pack. 5 n8n workflows and 5 Cassidy workflows that you can use immediately.